Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and we have Angelo with us. Today we are in the limits of Bahrija, and we're going to do finally a cave and a tunnel. So when you see me caves and tunnels, I will always be with somebody, because we do things as should be. Today we have a unique cave, which is called Ghar l-Iswed. Iswed means black, so it's the black cave. Have a unique feature in it. I think you will love this. So this cave have very long history, because I think it was used as a
shelter as well.
First it was used by people who used to live in caves, and now in World War II has been altered or converted, and it's nice because it has like camouflage. Nobody will know that there's a shelter. So what we do is touch me. Let's go. Well, today Angelo is the leader or the tour guide for me. We already can see the cave from here. I'm taking care because there's a lot of loose rocks here. One can fall into. It's nice here, aren't you?
Very nice, even this stairs here.
This here,
Will lead to some
rock cut stairs, and with the light it's like stairway to heaven, huh? And even the view, look at the views from here. Beautiful countryside, eh? But let's focus on the cave. Finally we have a cave, eh? And something we can see here a ranch. You know that I see these things. You see?
right, pottery.
Pottery. We start because these places were full of pottery. 99%. We have a small cave here. It's very small, and it's dug even up there. No? That's strange. We don't.
A shelf for.
We don't normally find this kind of shelves here.
Even this one, maybe it was.
Maybe that was close with the rubble wall here, most probably. Well, let's continue to the cave. It's nice, this cave. Look, Ange, we have another thing here. I don't know. This, I don't, but it could be part of a
like
bowl.
The upper rim.
The upper rim. It's true. Amazing, yeah? But now let's focus on the cave. It looks very big, huh?
Seems they go up climbing as well, yeah?
Yes, that had a wall one time. We have water dripping everywhere. This is the small cave, and here we can have a look. It's very big, yeah? Lots of quick draws and bolts with for the climbing. It's amazing. Oh, there's a tunnel. That might be that World War II shelter.
Yeah.
We are at the entrance of this massive cave, and we can start exploring. It's beautiful, aren't you?
Really beautiful.
And very big, yeah?
Quite big, yeah. I thought it was smaller, but
even me, look how big it is.
for some pictures you see it quite long, but
Yeah, it's very big.
here it's
Let me give them the 60 degrees of this place. It's amazing, yeah? How big it is. And here, let's start from here. There's a very nice feature here. Let me show you. Let's start from this wall here. It was built high quality, yeah? Now you can see it better. Let me switch off this light. And here, if you can see, up here, there is an arch. So one time this was a door here, because with the light you cannot see it properly. So there was a wall there. Maybe this was all closed, and we had a door here. And this one might be damaged by time. These are the quick draws and bolts that I told you about that climbers use. It's very interesting. Here, let me give you a perspective of how big this cave is. It's here. Here we have like another room, or most probably all this rubble wall. It was a wall to close this part. Could have been done for animals as well. That's nice, here. You see? It goes down. Boom. And if I'm seeing correctly, here, maybe they were digging to make way, either to make it bigger or to make another shelter in here. See? This is when we look out. This is from inside this small cave, inside the cave here, and here, boom. We are using the helmets once again. Because look how big it is. And even if you look at the ceiling, it's nicer. And here we find one of the features of this place. What we think was a World War II shelter. Here there was these we don't like doing barbecues in such places. There's so many places where one can do a barbecue. It's not good. We have water dripping from everywhere. This might have been another enclosure of this cave, because these big caves, then they were turned into rooms. And from here you can have a look and see how big this area was. So now we're going to visit that cave there. So what do you think, Ange? Let's go. We put our lights on and we can go inside. It's already 90-degree turn here. So here we're getting inside. We go from here. We turn here, we turn here. We have Angelo here. He's in front of me. Go a little bit further in so they can see how long this tunnel is. We have some pockets here. Maybe either they were natural or some of them they were made for candies. What you were telling me, Ange?
It's quite high. And
yes, it's true.
Some stalactites over there.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. Yes. There are some stalactites here. You see it? Very interesting, yeah? And nice, huh? And look inside here, how beautiful it is. Let me put the water. It's like a preserved cave. With some more lighting. We are still going in here. Because we came from there. And we are pushing in. Okay, Ange? Seems that the one digging here got fed up. Start going. First he start 2 meters, then it gone down. But for me, it's not a problem. But for you, you have to take care. Continue going in. Here we can see these stalactites with water still dripping from them. And we take care not to hit them because we will damage them. But we are still walking inside this tunnel or shelter. I think it's a shelter though. Well, we are still going in. Lots of holes everywhere. I don't know if they were natural or not. Well, and here we have a turn here, Ange.
It's 90 degrees.
No, most probably we are coming to an exit. Yes, Sarah. Have another night here. Look, what I was telling you about. You come from there, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So, and if we continue like this, we have another 90 degrees. This is, imagine a bomb explodes and the blast goes in. So the blast have to hit that wall, hit this wall, hit this wall, hit this wall. It will be hitting a lot of walls. And I assume this was, put some more light, this was the exit. It's blocked there. We can go no further. And that was the exit of this shelter. So now we are 100% sure it was a shelter. And look how clean here it was cut. It's not like the other side. Could be it's different rocks. And another very interesting thing, look here, the water dripping, the stalactites, they are like teeth, they are beautiful. So now, let's make our way out and start enjoying again that some fresh air and that cave. We are in the second exit, which is blocked, and we are making our way down. You won't have to take great care here, because with all this fallen rock, you can easily fall down. And this is to show you at least the size of this cave. I can, like this, I can stand up. Well, we are going out now. What you was telling me, Ange?
This part is a bit lower because I had to bend a bit.
But I told you when we were going in, but he got fed up.
Yeah.
And then he said, I don't want to do 2 meters anymore. So he switched to my size. Or maybe the digger got fired.
Or maybe it could be. Or he died.
The digger fired or got died, so the next digger was shorter like me. The first one was like you, the second one was like me. Well, we are still going out. I will leave Angelo to walk all the way till the corner, so we have an idea. Look how long it is, this tunnel. It's big. I think there is 10 meters at least, Ange. That's amazing, huh? In all? Oh, yes, could be, yes. And before they were like corridors. I think here, where they stayed during the RH shelters, could be. Like this, hopefully we can have an idea. I turn 90 degrees. So you have an idea. I turn 90 degrees again. So fresh air. Boom. Look at the light, how beautiful it is. And we have our trusted Angelo with us. How nice is this cave, Some fresh air. Although we like caves, fresh air is always fresh air. Look what we have here, an interesting feature. We find it in all the caves, This one, a marbat. A marbat is something you tie to. So if you see, I don't, give me the back of your GoPro. I don't know if we can show it. You see, down here, here it's black, you cannot see. But they used to tie animals here. But look how nice it is. Let's cave, the last. Look, this another 36 degrees of this area. That is the shelter we're in. There's a small cave. I assume this rubble was a closure made for animals. We'll find many like duck pockets here. It's very interesting. This marks the end of this adventure with Angelo. It was a very nice adventure, and being underground and with my body, finally it was very good. Please like and subscribe to our both channel, Pierre Farrugia and Angelo Caruana. If you want to help us, comment and like our videos, and if you like them so much, if they share them, it will be awesome. Until next time, Bye bye. We go on. But today I cannot eat. I'm still on diet.
Okay. So, walk only.
Walk only.